Minimalist modern compact bedroom set. Stepping into this small yet stylish bedroom, you're greeted by a harmonious blend of modern simplicity and smart functionality. The centerpiece is a sleek, low-profile bed with built-in underbed storage drawers, perfect for storing seasonal clothing or extra bedding. Floating nightstands beside it keep essentials close at hand while maintaining an airy feel. The walls are adorned with sleek wood paneling, adding warmth to the neutral color scheme of soft whites and muted grays. Above the bed, a compact corner workspace, featuring a sleek desk and a single open shelf, ensures productivity without overwhelming the space. This is a sanctuary of efficiency and elegance. The perfect balance of simplicity and elegance. This simple-themed bedroom feels spacious and intimate. The bed, covered with soft cloth. A floating storage bench at the foot of the bed doubles as seating and extra storage. Across the room, a folding desk in a sleek white finish is tucked neatly into the wall, keeping the workspace tidy. The color palette is creamy white to charcoal gray, softened with textured fabrics, creating a serenely rich atmosphere. Functional compact bedroom with built-in wall storage. Designed with efficiency in mind, this small bedroom incorporates built-in wall storage solutions that eliminate the need for bulky furniture. The bed frame extends into a multifunctional headboard equipped with shelves, providing a space for books, lamps, and personal items. A floor-to-ceiling wardrobe with sliding doors maximizes storage without taking up valuable floor space. Opposite the bed, a wall-mounted, fold-out desk serves as a workspace when needed and disappears into the wall when not in use. The color palette of muted grays, whites, and natural wood tones keeps the space feeling calm and organized. Modern rustic small bedroom with practical storage. This bedroom merges modern simplicity with rustic warmth, making the most of limited space. The solid wood platform bed features a lift-up storage compartment, perfect for stashing away blankets and seasonal clothing. A ladder-style shelf, doubling as a nightstand, leans against the wall, offering space for books and decor without crowding the room. The walls are painted in earthy, warm tones, complementing the natural wood elements. Soft textiles, such as a chunky knit throw and linen curtains, enhance the cozy feel, making this bedroom a blend of practicality and rustic charm. Cozy eco-friendly small bedroom with space-saving furniture. This sustainable bedroom embraces nature with reclaimed wood furniture and natural textures. A loft-style bed maximizes vertical space, creating a cozy reading nook below, complete with a built-in bookshelf. The nightstand is a repurposed wooden crate on wheels, easily movable for convenience. The wardrobe features bamboo sliding doors, blending seamlessly with the earthy aesthetic. Woven jute rugs, linen bedding, and potted plants enhance the organic feel, while soft ambient lighting creates a peaceful environment. Every element in this space reflects a commitment to eco-conscious living without compromising on comfort. Warm and cozy contemporary small bedroom. Soft, warm hues define this cozy contemporary bedroom, where smart furniture choices make the most of the compact space. A raised platform bed with built-in storage steps eliminates the need for bulky dressers, while a floating bookshelf above the headboard holds bedtime reads and decorative pieces. The small, wall-mounted nightstand includes a built-in charging station, keeping electronics neatly organized. Subtle wall sconces replace traditional bedside lamps, offering a streamlined look. The warm neutral palette, combined with soft textures like knitted throws and plush rugs, makes this bedroom an inviting retreat perfect for restful nights. Smart modular furniture for a tiny bedroom. This intelligently designed small bedroom showcases the magic of modular furniture. The bed features a hydraulic lift, revealing deep storage compartments underneath for organizing clothes, shoes, or accessories. Above, a wall-mounted fold-out desk seamlessly blends into the decor when not in use, offering a clean workspace on demand. A sliding wardrobe with mirrored doors reflects natural light, creating an illusion of a larger space. The carefully chosen neutral tones, soft grays, whites, and natural wood, keep the atmosphere fresh and uncluttered. This setup transforms the smallest of spaces into a highly functional and aesthetically pleasing living area. Scandinavian-inspired space-saving bedroom. Bathed in natural light, this Scandinavian-style bedroom maximizes every inch with clever space-saving solutions. The bed frame, crafted from light-colored wood, features a hidden trundle, offering extra storage or a guest bed when needed. The wall-mounted foldable desk serves as a compact workspace by day and a stylish vanity by night. A series of floating shelves above the bed provide a neat display for books and small potted plants, adding personality without clutter. Sheer linen curtains filter in soft daylight, enhancing the airy ambience, while pastel-colored bedding introduces a subtle warmth to the serene white walls. The combination of functionality and cozy minimalism creates a refreshing retreat perfect for relaxation.